Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is C-suite. This vernacular identifies the leaders of a public company or even a private company as the C in Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Innovative Officer, Chief Information Officer, Chief Medical Officer. I could go on forever. These are important people at a company that have elevated themselves to the upper ranks or upper echelons of corporate America. This vernacular is used all the time to identify the leaders in a particular business. Now, some people spend their entire lives working at a company to get to the C-suite. They go get their MBA and they work their way up to a program like GE or many of the other big companies out there like Boeing. Or they just start a company and call themselves the CEO. Either way, it's called the C-suite. Today's word is C-suite.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.